Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this video, we're going to be learning the next topic of collection framework in Python. So we're going to be learning Deque, which is the last and the final collection module we're going to be learning. Else nothing is important, and there are also some of them might be important. We can just check that in Java 2.0 or gigs for gigs or whatever. So here we are going to learn the Deque from collection framework. So as usual, we're going to create a new Python file called Deque collection, just like that. So I'm just going to import the from collections, import the Deque. So if you go into the Deque library, as you can see some documentations found here. So if you want to read some of these, you can. So I'm just going to read a sample line. A list-like sequence optimized for data accessor near its endpoint. What does that makes you think? Deque is a data structure which helps you to make a list, append, insert from wherever you want. So basically, Deque is more likely an advanced list in Python. So if I want to just create a Deque, so we just kept in D equals Deque. Right here, this is D. So I just want to import and I just want to append some values. Suppose I want to just append the 1, 2, 3, and right at the end I just want to print out the D. Since in Deque we're gonna find a list containing 1, 2, 3. So what is a Deque, and what are the special features of Deque? Well, Deque lets you add or remove value from both of the sides of a list. As we all know, in our normal list you can add a value to the right side of your list, but if you want to add a value from your left side or at the beginning, what would you do? Well, all of these things are possible, but with Deque it just makes it smaller using normal functions. So basically, if we don't want to use Deque, let's just see how you can do that in your raw list, built-in list. So if I just create a list, suppose I want to get an input, so you say list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And if you want to just print out the list just like that, we're just gonna view a normal list, and I just want to insert I append a value called 6. Also I have to just print out that, just like that. So if you want to append a value at the beginning or at the entry point of a list, what would you do after this in this state? So basically, on a normal list, what we can do is run the insert function. At the 0 position, 0 value is going to be inserted. As you can see, now it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, this is possible, but it makes it tough. Now suppose you want to delete the first value from a dictionary, from a list. What do you do? lst.remove 0. If you do that, if I just print that now, the first value is deleted. Now what if in the last there was a 0 like this? So we know that now there's 0 at the end. So as you can see, the first 0 deleted, but the last 0 already. Now there might be some errors you can also find. Now basically, if you want to delete the last value, you cannot do that right now. So you have to run 2 deletes and enter in 0 at the beginning again, which makes it tough. Why do you do that? That doesn't make any sense. Come on, stop. So basically, what you need to do is remove the first value from a list. You need to just use the pop. And if I just say pop 0, this removes the first index from that list. So basically this kind of makes it tough that you might want to uh, change this value. Now if you want to just change that value, what will you do right now? Suppose I want to say lst dot zero number position equals 55 and lst dot print. It works. Now what if you want to rotate that list? What if you want to just change this 55 right here, and the 2 would go there, 3 would go there, 4 would go there, 6 would go at the beginning? What can you do that if you want to rotate these things? Well, this comes handy when you use the Deque. So let's just get into it. So now we know the familiarities of Deque in Python. Let's just get into it. So first of all, we're going to import the Deque from the collections module. And I'm just going to create a Deque class. And if I just print out the div in the beginning, it's a Deque containing a blank list. Now if I want to just say d.append, that contains this. Now I just want to add another value as well, just like that. So basically I will just add some more values, to just test it out. Okay, so basically now if you want to append these things, it appends from the right side, but if you want to append it from the left side using Deque, what you need to do is get a thing called d dot append to left, append left, and right here you're gonna pass in 0, and right here you want to, if we just print out the d, as you can see now this is appended at the first position. Easy, right? Now suppose if I also, one more thing, if you want to just do this, you can also pass in the values as well. This is completely legal. So this thing works the same actually. If you want to just do that right here, you can do that as well. There's no harm or no, nothing happening. So basically append left is a pretty good function. You don't have to say that d dot insert and then from the 0 number is an index. You just want to enter a new value, which is a lot of hassle and a lot of things you have to do. So basically right here it's just a function, that's it. No more, nothing. You don't have to think of algorithm to insert at a 0 number index, nothing at all. Just use Deque. And then if you do a d dot delete or pop and you want to print out it, as you can see, if you do d dot pop, actually wait, yes, 0 0 1, sorry, I have to just change that. I did a mistake. So yeah, just like that. If you want to print out, if you want to print out the value right now, as you can see it's now 0 1 2 3 and the 4, the last number index, got deleted. After say pop left, the first number index will be deleted. And now if you want to rotate the thing, we need to do a lot of algorithms to make in our normal list. We want to do it right here. How are we supposed to do that? So rotate is just going to put the 1 in the 0 number index is going to be the 1 number index, the 1 number index is going to be the second index, and the second index is going to be the third index, and the last index will go at the 0 index. Just like that is going to rotate work. So if I say d dot rotate 1 and d dot print, as you can see now it has been rotated. So basically this one moved here, here, here. So if you want to rotate it 2 times, so basically the 1 will go at the second position. Now rotate it 3 times, it will go there. 4, it will 1 will be the beginning, and it's going to be the same value. So what if you want to rotate from the left side? It's going to rotate from the right side, but if you want to rotate it from the left side, you can do by using -1. So if you say -1, the 1 will go at the left side, and this will make the 1 will go at the last, and the 2 will come at the first, just like that. super simple and easy. With no algorithms, it's possible using the collection framework, which they build you these things and you can easily work them for your hard data structures. So this was the end of collection framework module in Python. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the last video of collection framework. If you have new ideas of them, please make sure to comment. I'll make more videos if you want so. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about more about Python.